Hello folks, we are coming to you live from the state-run University of Liberia. Of course, this is the premier university of our country, Liberia. It has closed for about 6 months now. According to the letter from the University of Liberia Authority, it stated that it actually did close for about two reasons. All right, one is for financial aspect, lack of finance, and the second one was due to the renovation aspect. According to the university, it will carry on. So about 6 months, the University of Liberia has been closed, and students have been calling on the administration to reopen the school and begin academic lessons. But here we are. We have been told that the Student Unification Party, SUP, is engaging with media this morning. So we are here to bring you live their saying, what they have to tell the public as it relates to the ongoing issue here at the state-run university. But this is these are some of the infrastructures of the University of Liberia, despite the ongoing, renovation, or how should we term it? Should we say requested renovation, something like that? But this is the premier University of Liberia, folks. This is the premier University of Liberia, and we are here to listen to the students. We earlier on saw them, parading around the university. That's the Student Unification Party militants. They are parading around the University of Liberia. Any moment from now on, they will be addressing the media as it relates to the ongoing issue here at the University of Liberia. But folks, if you are a former student of the University of Liberia, here we are on Capitol Hill. This is the premier university of our country, the University of Liberia. It has been closed for about 6 months now. 6 months, students have not, carry on their academic activities. All right, so SUP, that's the Student Unification Party, is addressing the press this morning. We are here to listen to them as to what they are going to say or tell the public. But also, we have been reliably told that the Ministry of Finance is working with the authority of the University of Liberia to making sure that the money they requested can be given to them. I think that is already in the pipeline, the Ministry of Finance and the University of Liberia. So in coming days, the university will be resuming academic activities here at the state-run university, and that will be based on effort the Ministry of Finance is putting in. But again, until that can be confirmed, the university still remain closed. All right, the university still remain closed. So once we spot on the Student Unification Party militants, once they are ready for the press conference this morning, we will definitely carry our camera there so we can know exactly what they have to say to the public. The University of Liberia is that's the Student Unification Party is one of the student political parties here at UL that is very, very proactive, always putting the authority or the administration of University of Liberia feet on fire to do the right thing. So it is back. We are going to listen to the Student Unification Party and to tell us exactly what they have to say. But it is not a good sign for inspiring students and to wait for 6 months, 7 months without school. Other students have the desire to make it very quickly, to graduate from the institution and move on with their master programs, PhD programs, or any other vision that they have. So if you are keeping students for such a longer period, especially University of Liberia that always has such delay in terms of time, it is not good for visionary students or youth or any other individual to that matter who has the desire to come here quickly and earn a paper or degree and make their way out. It's not a good sign. All right, so that's it. We hope that as we have been reliably told that the Ministry of Finance is working with the authority of the University of Liberia, to carry on, to release the finance, and of course, so academic activities can begin. It will be good, all right. It will be good if that happens. So, yes, it is definitely not a good news. It is definitely not a good news for our students, our brothers and sisters, our fathers and mothers, to be here for 6 months, no school. Can you think about that? You realize that some individuals who maybe were struggling about financial issues and they have to go away, have to go hustle because 6 months, a long period of time, some of them will be distracted. Some of them may not even come back to the university again to continue the education because 6 months someone been away. Perhaps the person will just leave from the entire capital, Monrovia, go away, Maryland or Sino County, Grand Crew, to go do different things. And once the person goes there and maybe a person try to earn little money, whatever, it is done. The person is not coming back again. And when you look at the illiteracy rate in our country, all right. So I think this is a sign of deep motivation. Of course, this is the sign of deep motivation for our young folks who really have the passion for education. Unfortunately, they always see such delay. All right, but again, that's it. That's it. That's it. That's it again. That's it. But we told you earlier on that the Student Unification Party militants, they are now parading at the State University, and they will be speaking to the press any moment from now on as it relates to the ongoing. So there you have the students. All right, there you have the students here around here, and try to parade around.
There were some reckless class system formulation
reducing of data, reducing of data, reduction of data, reduction of meaning, reduction of meaning, poor learning condition, poor learning condition, poor learning condition. Wákàtí tó kásẹ̀, wákàtí tó kásẹ̀, wákàtí tó kásẹ̀, wákàtí orí brutality, wákàtí orí brutality. Those who expresses all this wákàtí reactionary, those who expresses the nation,
Viva, 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 Banga Bada viva.
Viva.
Yo, Banga Bada, yo, Banga is all we have, yo.
Querela.
C'est quoi? Vanga parler, c'est quoi? Start stealing, rescue mission, start stealing, c'est quoi? Yo. Rescue mission, still to rescue mission, run mission. Yo, tell me without you, yo.
Mr. Banga, Banga tête cassée,
Viva la grande Moscow, viva, massive revolution coming so soon, viva, rescue mission for the people, viva, forward, Banga pas de forward, massive revolution, forward, revolutionary Banga unification pas de forward, downward, rescue mission downward, rescue mission, the plantain mission downward.
Comme pièce et comme bateau, men and women of the conscious class of the Liberian society, progressive and ideological journalists, the poverty-stricken and marginalized class and layers of the Liberian society. 6 years ago, Liberia as a state was on the verge of collapse. 1 year counting since the ascendancy of the rescue regime. The nation of Congo, administrative leadership is a free fall, and the state is in complete decadence and pandemonium. Yo!
Mana!
As today, we assemble here with a simple mandate to inform the people of Liberia on the 1 year administrative governance in misrule, complete neglect for the rule of law, and to provide comprehensively the score action and the next alternative as the party lead the people to popular revolution. Mr. Boycott has reached his Waterloo. The lands have been doomed. Our people will not be stagnated with hunger. Our people will not be bastardized and dumperized. Our people will not be neglected by a president that yesterday claimed to have lived on whom is now living with a budget in the tune of 5 million. A president that claimed to be a very integrity person is bastardizing and dumperizing our republic. So on the basis of this, we urge all progressive journalists to hail to the party office and the party issue its official position. Manda.
People suffering.
Bye.
of the proletarian class. Poverty striking civil servant. The bankers and dumpersons, they of the labor society, conscious university students, progressive journalists, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, fire, the Republic of Liberia have been completely neglected. Today, the Republic of Liberia, under the administration of AEF, 42 years experience Blamando in Joseph Parker, have broken down and come up every democratic institution in this country. 6 years ago, when the gangster paradise held by George Weah took our country at the verge of collapse, in less than 1 year, Mr. Parker somersaulted the entire state.
Yo! If you want to say they have become a team member of the Liberia people, yo!
There can be no that the parents have no achievement on the 1 year administration of Joseph Parker. We have seen consistent and continuous poverty, wide range of administrative neglect. We are seeing a complete collapse of political and democratic institutions.
Yo! Starvation is a latrine, breakfast, yo!
Honor Mr. Parker, Papa West is the honor of the day, but the masses are told to maintain their expectation. The key word about that regime is the masses will be patient. While Mr. Parker takes home 5 million every year. The key word of that regime is the masses will be patient. While Mr. Parker wants to take 15,000. No. The Parker Party. The Parker Party will immediately effectively today is to a checkpoint and provide political direction for revolutionary concept as the guidance of the people of this country.
Yo! Massive revolution is set, yo!
There's no democracy in this country anymore. The police, under the watch of an EF, Ajib Bajokoma, is used as an arm to crack down on free speech, freedom of expression. The police have been turned into a killing machine. That's the gangster paradise. Today, the Republic of Liberia needs to be structured. If not, immediately capture these national elements so that we can institute proper leadership of revolutionary values.
Massive revolution, yo! The people tired of suffering, yo!
We cannot say and think that if we get Mr. Parker 6 years, his regime will be successful. The regime failed from day one when they instituted a quote-unquote asset recovery team that could not even retrieve a pastor. But they take 1.5 million annually on the need of retrieving government assets. Mr. Parker have neglected a cardinal responsibility that he was voted for, that is to audit and prosecute the Weah administration. Today, we are seeing common criminals electing the public body, the political corridor, the acting as agent of massive rats and messiah of the people. This man on the matter of restoring integrity in public institutions have today, and it's consistent and encouraging corruption by parachuting corrupt individuals.
Reactionary tendency. Corrupt worker. Revolutionary, revolutionary thing that
You are here, but that regime parachuted the deputy president that used 500,000 to celebrate the birthday for our hospitals, our clinics, our schools, are now renovated. Not twice as in our hospitals, our boys are back. Yet the support can use 500,000 to celebrate birthday.
Rien que t'as été laissé. Celebrating birthday in the face of pop-up in front of the students. Yo, yo, yo.